Hello, parents. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 mistakes parents are doing repeatedly. That's the reason why their kids are not excelling in the examination. Number one, comparison. They're comparing with brothers and sisters, cousins, the classmates, neighbors, and the person, very dangerously, the person who stood first in the class. Do not compare. His condition and your kid's conditions are different. That's what I'm going to tell you. That's why so many different things are the people are doing. So that is the result they are getting as a first position or more than 95% of the marks or more than 95% of the marks is the results of so many things. It's not just one thing. So do not curse them, do not compare them. If you do that, your kid is going to stop working hard. That is the worst case. Number two, if your kid misses class, remember that breaks the continuation of the teacher's effort. It breaks the continuation of content delivery. He misses the connecting link, and as a result, he misses the concept clearly. His concepts are not being cleared. So how the person who is having a not clear the concept is going to excel in examination, right? Number 3, you are not giving your kid environment to excel. You're creating a noisy environment where your kid is repeatedly disturbed by so many distractions. So give him a place dedicated for his study and make that place comfortable so that he can utilize maximum time there for learning. Learning is a main outcome of study, not getting a score. Score is a one parameter, but learning is going to affect. Number 4, stop asking your kid to mug up. 95% of the case, kids are mugging up. No, this is not going to help your kid to excel in examination or any competitive examination. Now you started your kid with 5th, 6th, 7th standard or 9th, 10th or 11th, 12th standard. But what about the later on classes? There, the mug up practice is not going to help. They have to understand the concept, right? So do not ask them to mug up, because during the examination they are going to miss the flow of information, right? Number 5, you're not giving your kid to experience the examination at home or at the tuition center or at the private tutor's place. Why it is important? Because every time our intention is to give more and more time to study. No, that is the 60% of the case. What about the 40%? Whatever you have prepared, you have to give information in examination or any interview or any such type of activity. You have to give your answer in structured manner. Along with your kid, sit for a while and read the old question papers. The tricks or tips what you are giving to your kid is very crucial. They are have to give the answer in set of information, right? They have to need to understand what is the difference between why and what, how and describe. These terms they have to understand, and then they can write in examination, right? And if they should write exactly, they have to follow the examination parameter. Time, speed is very crucial for examination. So hope that you are like this video and you are not going to commit these 5 mistakes, so that your kid is going to excel in examination. Okay, keep watching and follow this video for the second part of this video. So you'll get all the solution to solve these problems. Goodbye.